If you use a Samsung Galaxy phone, there's a powerful hidden feature you might be missing: notification categories for each app. This feature gives you full control over exactly what notifications you receive and how they appear. Instead of turning notifications on or off completely, you can fine-tune them for specific actions like messages, promotions, alerts, and more. Let's see how to enable it. What's the difference after enable it? Open the app drawer and long press any app to your Samsung phone. Tap the eye icon. Tap Notifications. You can see only sound and vibration, notification pop-up style, and show or hide content when locked settings. How to enable notification categories. Hidden menu. Follow these simple steps to unlock this feature on your Samsung Galaxy device. Go to Settings. Tap Notifications. Tap Advanced Settings. Toggle on Manage Notification Categories for each app. Now again, go to Same App Settings by long press the app. Tap Eye icon. Tap Notifications. You can see the new option Notification Categories. Tap on it. You can customize app notifications for individual or group here. Also change sound for specific app also. For each category, you can adjust notification sound, alert or silent, lock screen visibility, pop-up display, app icon badges style. Samsung's notification categories feature is one of the most underrated tools hidden in your settings. Once enabled, it completely changes how you manage alerts, giving you more control, less distraction, and a smarter smartphone experience. If you haven't tried it yet, go enable it now and customize your notifications your way.